We're the Salty Sings. If you're new here, my name's Laura, this is Dion, and our two kids Vinny and Ren, and our dog Sailor. We live aboard our Tasman C35 catamaran full time. We bought our boat in Cairns and moved aboard at the beginning of 2021. Learning how to sail a catamaran, we have been challenged. Learning to navigate the seas, the winds, endless boat jobs. I like to explain it to people, like imagine your house and car being combined, and then it also lives in seawater 24/7. With it being such a corrosive environment, stuff is bound to break. But we've also had some of the best experiences we could have ever imagined. And the best part is we're really only just getting started. We always like to say the good times are really good and the bad times are really bad. I think if you live on a boat, you'll definitely understand. So we're back. A lot of time has passed since I filled you in, and sorry guys, you've missed out on a lot, but I'll try and get you up to date. We have travelled down the east coast of Queensland and landed in Hervey Bay for the cyclone season, which is usually between November until April. In this video, I'll take off where we left last time in episode 37. Eric left us for a while, but he'll be back soon. We started to explore the 74 islands the Whitsundays has to offer.
We're just going from South Mole to, where are we going? Hennington. Henning Island.
Look at that silky smooth water.
Yeah.
So glassy.
So amazing. No good for sailing though.
No. So we've either got seaweed or a fish on. Hopefully.
It's still quite low in the water, so I'm thinking maybe it's actually a fish.
Yeah. Better just check on where we're going. There's buoys up here. Yep. Still alright, I think. What is it?
I don't know, you want to slow down a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it might just be seaweed. Just seaweed.
No! What? You're joking. Where is it?
I was just saying it's pretty cool. It's a good, nice sunset. There's some mad eddies going on.
We live here.
And this is where we live today.
That's pretty cool. What else did we do today?
We just came across from
Sandy Bay.
Sandy Bay on what island is it? Anyway, on an
More
island.
South
Mole.
South Mole.
On South Mole. We're currently doing doughies. It's like,
The eddies
we're
are
on a
spinning
mooring
us
board,
around.
But we're literally doing like full 360 spins.
It's ridiculous.
And then we went to the beach and we've had a bit of a fish, but doesn't seem to be much around.
No.
So just about to cook up some dinner.
Oh, what do you got, babe?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh,
Feels alright though. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like actually fighting a bit, eh?
Yeah. Do you want me to help?
No, it's all good. Just what's the kids doing?
Oh my gosh, what is it?
Is it a trevally?
It looks like a giant trevally. Holy moly! Oh,
Oh,
it got off. Oh.
It must have been foul hooked, I think, too.
Oh well, babe, we don't really want a giant
But
trevally.
we didn't want none that big.
I think I got it on camera anyway.
Wow.
Holy moly! That was massive! And I'll just show you on the plotter, so there's our little white boat, and then we're just going to come around the corner here and anchor somewhere up here.
What do we got here, Captain?
We got a whole lot of waves.
We're learning, this is lesson number 42C. This is what happens when you got wind against tide.
So we're just going through like a bit of a small kind of passage here. And it's pretty choppy rubbish.
And we're doing 5.5 knots. So we're going with the current, winds in our face, and we're doing 5.5 knots. The current must be ripping through. Look at it. What's going on? A sunset cruise.
Daddy.
How's everything?
Pretty good spot.
How's
So-
the midgies?
So where are we?
My daddy. My daddy. My daddy.
Sid Harbour,
My daddy.
Sawmill, North Sawmill Beach.
My
There we
daddy.
are.
No, the shovel.
Good job, Vin. You made it. The boys are pulling up anchor so we can go to the next anchorage closer to Hamilton Island. So we are ready to pick up our next guest in time for Vinny's birthday. So Vinny's just learning how to do the anchor. We're just leaving our anchorage at, where are we again? Sid Harbour. We're, yeah. And we're gonna come down, oh, too much, down here, down that passage, and just pop in there. Morning, Dave.
Morning.
What's going on this morning?
We're picking up Cheryl and Peter. It's just dead glassy this morning. We're just cruising across the channel and it is like, so the other day, I'm sure you'll see the footage, but the other day just over there, just on the right hand side of that island, little island there, that was where that mad swell eddies wind against tide bizzo was, and today it's like nothing.
Nice.
Anyway, we're gonna go get some stuff, drop off some rubbish, pick up some rubbish, I mean the in-laws. That was for you, Shaz.
It's a lovely day today. Perfect conditions for Mum and Pete to come in. There's the runway right there. So you've got to keep well and truly away from the runway, otherwise you'll hit the mast on the aeroplane. So that's not what you want. Oh, hello! Welcome to sunny Queensland. You don't need this on anymore.
Finally here.
This is our boat.
Wow! How amazing! Vinny, I want you to show me everything. Oh, wow! Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, look! It's perfect. I'm coming, Vin. Excuse me.
Good stuff.
This is
All right, we're underway. Leaving. Captain Peter's leaving. You did the line very nicely.
No, it's the sinker.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think the sinker's too heavy, babe.
you did it.
Yeah, we got a shark.
Are you sure it's a shark?
Yeah. Right, looks like a shark.
That is so.
Look at him.
Oh, he's still feisty.
There we go. You want to pick him up, Ben? Hey? You want to pick him up? Oh, no, not really.
Pick him up by the tail, Pete.
See you, buddy. Oh,
gee,
I'm just going to sit here. He's on knackered.
We made the most of our beautiful weather and showed them a few of our favourite spots between Turtle Bay and of course the famous Whitehaven Beach. It's always our favourite time when I get to experience my everyday life with my friends and family. It's awesome to show them that there is a different way of living, a different from the 9 to 5 until you retire. I say, do it while you're young. The weather forced us to head back to Ellie Beach. If we stayed out, we probably wouldn't have had the weather window to get them back to catch their flights. On the way to Ellie Beach, it was time for us to experience our first decent sail. Yes, we have travelled all the way from Cairns to the Whitsundays, but we didn't realise we would be heading into southerly winds the whole time. So it was really nice and also pretty daunting to finally sail. Got all our party stuff set up here in the boat. Presents. Dion's being so festive in the background. Hi. Little teenager wants to sleep until 9 o'clock.
Good morning, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vinny. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Flying back today.
Yeah.
Oh,
Gonna
well.
miss everyone. Had the best time.
I'll miss you, buddy.
And we settle into normal boat life for a while. Washing, first haircuts, beach chills, all that normal stuff.
Look at me. Look up here. That's it.
Hold
Look up
still.
here.
Oh, oh that's no.
There you go.
Wow! Show mama! Oh, you look beautiful, Ren. Awesome!
We just... Ren got a haircut today. She's got a fringe. Rennie, give us a smile.
Join us in our next episode. We want to give you an inside look at exactly how we move spots, how we do it, what's involved, what we have to think about, how we drive the boat, and how we keep the kids happy. Thanks for watching, guys.